Welcome to Advisor Go. In today's training, we're going to be reviewing the Performance Insight. To locate the Performance Insight, select Insights. I'm going to use our search tool and locate Performance. Once you're in this insight, you will be able to see the RSPs, cash funds, or any non-registered accounts that are in the plan. Currently, the growth rates that the plans are set at. If you want to see what those investment rates look like at a lower rate or higher rate, you'll just want to run this toggle in that direction. Moderate is going to simply run the plan where it currently is. In order for you to see what the plan looks like at a higher growth rate, just slide along the bar and select Get Started. Now we can see that this plan has grown substantially with these different growth rates applied. If you want also to see if the growth rates might change and be lower over time, you can drag the bar down to a lower increase and recalculate. Each notch on this bar is going to represent a percent, and just always remember moderate is going to keep the plan where it is. As you can see now, with this lower investment return and a lower growth rate, we do now have some shortfall in the plan. So this would be a good simulation to run with your clients and open up some discussions for the plan should there be any issues in the future or any growth rates that may be dropping in the future. Thank you for watching, and please reach out to support if you have any questions.